guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video our topic is finding the area of a circle. So we're going to go over the formula and all the steps to solve that. Now first let's see the formula. So the formula to find the area of a circle is A, meaning area, equals pi r squared. Pi times r squared. So let's break down the variables. We have pi r squared. So pi, we know that it is a very complicated symbol in math. It is the short form of a number which looks something like this, 3.1415, and it keeps going on. This is the number pi. So in short form, we can just say 3.14 to make it easier for us. Then we have r squared. First, let's see what r means. Now here we have a circle, and we're going to work on this problem later, but first let's see what r is in a circle. So this line inside it, which is labeled as 18 feet, is the r, and it is called the radius. R is used as a short form, but it is the radius. Now if we can draw another circle, even though it does not look perfect, if we draw a line through the circle, then that is a diameter. So this part from here to here, half of the diameter is the radius, and this whole line from here to here is the diameter. So basically, if we have the radius, and to find the diameter, we can multiply radius 2 times. So this one line, and we add one line here. We add this, we multiply this 2 times, and we will get the diameter. And if we have the diameter, for example, let's say our diameter is 18 feet. To find the radius, we are just going to divide 18 by 2, and we will have the answer 9. So this whole line is 18 feet, but if we cut it in half, we will have the radius, and that is going to be 9 feet. So that is how radius and diameter works, and here in this formula we are going to use the radius. So the radius and we have an exponent of 2 at the top of r, meaning we are going to multiply radius 2 times by itself. Radius multiplied by radius, or in other words, just r squared. So if we have, let's say we have the radius of 9 feet. Now to find the area, we are going to first multiply 9 times 9, so we will complete this part, r squared, and then we are going to multiply it by 3.14. So that is the order we are going to solve this formula in order to find the area of a circle. So now let's move on with our first question. So we're going to start with this circle we use as example. So now we're going to start substituting. So A equals, we have pi r squared. This r equals 18. So 18 feet. We're only going to use the number for this. Area equals pi. We said that it is going to be turned into 3.14. And again, an important part is that we have to multiply these two. So this to r squared. So we are not adding, dividing, or subtracting. We are going to be multiplying, since these variables are written right next to each other without any sign between them. We know that it is going to be multiplication. 3.14 times r squared. We will have r, which is 18 squared. So now we have substituted the formula, and it is now easier for us to complete the problem. 3.14 times, and we are going to multiply 18 by itself 2 times, or 18 squared, 18, and we will get 324. Now we are just going to multiply it by 3.14, and we will get the area as 1017.36. And we will write feet at the end, because that is a measurement given to us, and that's it. Now, since we know how to do this, we are going to move on to another problem to make sure that we understand how to find the area of a circle. Here we have our first question. We are going to first write the formula that we learned. A equals pi r squared. Now let's start substituting. So A equals 3.14 times r. Well, so let's look at the diagram, and we can see that there is a whole line passing through the circle. So we know that it is the number that we are given is the diameter. So this whole line represents a diameter, as we said, and the d, the diameter of the circle, is 106 yards. Now to find the r, because for area, to find the area of a circle, we need to know the r, the radius. We are going to divide 106 by 2, and if we do that, we will get our r as 53 yards. So from here to here is the radius. It's going to be 53 yards. Now, since we know the radius, we can plug that value in. 3.14 times 53 squared. Now, as we did before, we are going to first multiply 53 by itself 2 times, or just, in other words, square 53, and we will get 2,809. So 3.14 times 2,809, because we multiplied 53 by itself 2 times. And we are going to know that our area is going to be 3.14 times 2,809 is going to give us 8,820.26. So that is going to be the area for this circle, and we need to make sure what form we are given our answer in, whether it is in radius or diameter form. And we also need to make sure we don't get confused with finding the square of r and multiplying this r by 2. So those are a few of the things that you need to keep in mind while solving to find the area of a circle. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you get the notification whenever our new video comes out.